In this video, I will show you how to log into a web page using the Python library Selenium in Google Chrome. Starting off, I import WebDriver from Selenium and launch a Chrome browser by assigning the WebDriver to my variable called driver. A new Chrome window opens. I'll resize the window for the demo and open the DevTools so I can inspect the elements of interest. For this demonstration, I'll use a simple public test login page that's made for practicing Selenium. It provides test credentials and a clear success message after logging in. On this page, there are two text inputs and a login button. I'll right-click the username field and choose Inspect. Let me speed through some of this resizing I did. The DevTools window is too small to see things clearly, so I like to increase its size for these demos. DevTools shows the username input with an ID of username. I'll do the same for the password field. Its ID is password. Now let's inspect the Login button. The button doesn't have an ID, but I can access it with the CSS selector. Its value is button and its type is submit. Let's use Python to locate the entry fields and the button and then send the credentials. You see I have the username, password, and login button, using the ID for the first two and the CSS selector for the third. Now I'll type the provided test credentials into the inputs and click the button. I do this with the send keys method of the first two objects, username and password. Watch for when I execute this, these fields up here will be populated with text. With that executed, we now see the username and password fields are filled in. Now let's click the button using the click method of the button object. There we go, we successfully logged in. We see the success banner near the top that says we logged into a secure area, and you can even see the URL has changed to say /secure at the end. That's all there is to it. Find all of the inputs you need, which were username and password for this case, use the send keys method with the credentials, then find the submit button and click it. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.